Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I'm Mr. Qasim Isadulo, Somali senior journalist. I wanted to a little bit review about refugees here in India. Refugees are dying for starvation, and Somali refugees has died in India more than 671 from 2000. And we African student has attacked, and the last incident was happened Fasante Kuch. We African students and both refugees and African students are feeling without security, and the issue now under table. So we are requesting Indian civil society and Indian government to look for, and refugees are voiceless and they are suffering both security issue and humanitarian aid, without humanitarian aid, and everything under corruption, official corruption and humanitarian corruption of UNHCR here in India. So we are seeking intervention from Indian government as well as international security and donor countries like USA, Canada, Australia. So we are hoping to listen our voices to the donor countries, whether Europe or USA or Canada or Australia. And now refugees issue has become uncontrollable, and African youth are dying daily on a daily basis over Indian Ocean. And the African youth between boats and big oceans. So the world should look for, and they have to solve and get a durable solution and final solution. Finally, we are requesting humanitarian organizations to save lives of refugees dying for starvation in India. So, as you aware of India, corruption nation, so we have to save a human being dying simply in India. So thank you so much, everyone, and we are looking forward, and we have to like this save a human being. Thank you so much.